Let's do it. Big Talkin. I'm off the shits right now. Free them niggas though. Free Eastwood, free Mooski, free T-Man. R.I.P. Nooski. This that black block shit, man. I'm about to get wild on black. I do this trapping shit fluently. They must have this rapping shit new to me. VIP in the back of my jewelry. Fold them some hoes in my two of me. You know that my style like it's glued to me. That's why the house wanna be cool with me. Tellin' hoes they went to school with me. Fly just like he and two with me. All this information new to me. Ain't no nigga never shoot at me. Cause bad night he'll be dead. Comatose from this sweet lead. And my new chopper got 3 legs. Big Tally bitten in this shit. Guess I'm deep in, that's what she said. Act crazy than a heat brand. And yo bitch, she a YC fan. Free Mooski, free T-Man. Extra clip shift the heat jam. Fuck your bitch, then I sleep in. If you ain't blowing back, then retreat then. Think it's chicken, come and tweet then. Pass Jeffrey, that's the deep end. Where them tallies don't pretend. I see you riding that old 3 bands. But this a 2016 bands. All summer 16 bands. And I'm leaning on 3 Zans. 4-5 got 23 in. And it got a green beam in. No ID, then we sneak in. You know Guru brought the heat in. Subliminals, we don't do those. So I ride around with 2 poles. And they ain't fucking with no fool hoes. I act like I never knew hoes. Then them robbers cost 2 rolls. Me and Diesel running through hoes. Catch a hop and let the 2 blow. Ruger barking like Cujo. Free my nigga Mooski move though. Free Eastwood too though. Free Montana too though. Fuck the county freedom goons though. Meet your bitch, let her do the dick. Then I tell that bitch hit the room though. You know it ain't enough room, ho. Lil' ho, why the fuck you move for? Switching bitches like new clothes. 40 swollen than a blue nose. Coming up, we ain't had shit. All my youngest did was blue poles. Body dropping, we like who knows. Catch them like it take dude soul. Niggas sweeter than a fruit bowl. My sweaties packing like they moved on. No lacking key tools on. Blow the ratchets, get dude gone. Check Twitter, see who gone. Car return spot news on. Nah, DE too long. They like Tally, what was you on? We was trapping in the school zone. It's snatching out niggas screw-ons. Who the fuck you playing cool on? Spot the 50 if he move wrong. I'm at that nigga to snooze on. On Bleezy, so I get my groove on. Playing crazy might get chewed on. Bad bitch say she two-tone. Let her Tally come through you wrong. I've been waiting on this too long. I swear that you Buford's not having shit. It's just me and Perry the platypus. Smoking no dose of it activists. Coke on the stove with some trapping shit. Fiends say this shit accurate. Rubber grip lemon in back of it. Put on this block and I'll patch the shit. Popping out cause like what's happening. And we do this for Nooski, we Taliban. Choppers imported from Pakistan. 50s raining like a thunderstorm. Like a blizzard or an avalanche. Pull up blowing out the avalanche. DOA call an ambulance. Bitch I'm BOA and K Taliban. Shooting shit like a cameraman. Extra clips at the hammer jam. Make your eater do the running man. 30s packed up like the summer jam. Talking crazy, I'm like come again. If I call broken, he gon' come again. Better get low or get thumped again. And I'm about my paper, nigga, fuck a friend. I don't wanna fuck, I say suck it then. She say hell no, I'm like fuck it then. Girl, wait till it's just us again. If that pussy deep, then I'm jumping in. Any other day you would've stuck it in. I'm like hell no, I don't do that. Put a hollow in his true cap. Couple bottles, now she too slow. Off Vegas, how you do that? She just let the tallies run through that. Now it's come dripping down our crew neck. Selling yayo out the 2 flat. Let the cable leave a moose flat. This that tally shit. Pull up on the out and out and shit. Hop out with the 30 clip.